We're taking a look today at a vintage John Deere 55V, an excellent running saw that needs a couple very minor repairs, and it will be a great saw for your backyard or collection. A very nice 55V with great compression, good spark, lights right off. As you can see, this is a really nice complete saw. You can buy this right now for only $124.95 plus shipping anywhere in the US. $124.95 anywhere in the US. Buys this today, puts it right on your doorstep with very quick shipping. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matters most.